An 8 on your side consumer alert now. If you have flood insurance through FEMA, you could be at risk. More than 1 million Floridians are insured, but it's set to expire in September, and homeowners could be in trouble if the program is not renewed by Congress. News Channel 8's Jana Jones joins us live in Tampa right now, and I know, Jana, you looked into just how many people in our area specifically would be impacted.
Good evening to you, Stacy. Yes, I did. There's so much water around us here in the Tampa Bay area, and even if you don't live on the bay or close to the river, you could still be in a flood zone, and many homeowners could be in trouble if this program is not renewed. Carolyn Lockett has lived in her home off Bayshore Boulevard for more than 20 years. She knows flooding is a real possibility, and not having flood insurance was never an option.
And we knew coming into this area and building here that it was just a necessity, something we had to budget for.
But insurance agents warned that the people who are most at risk are people who may not even know it. A bulk of claims from the National Flood Insurance come from people who are not in obvious flood zones.
Come from areas that are low risk or may not even be required to, may not even be in a technical flood zone. They may be like in an X flood zone, which is low risk.
That could mean real trouble if the national program is not renewed.
Tons of people, it's all adding up. I mean, it's anywhere where someone has to have flood insurance. And even people that don't have to have it, they may want it.
Renewals denied and major delays with mortgages for those who are buying or selling homes are possible.
Or do you see premiums being sky high?
Honestly, I think they probably are going to go up.
And there's not much you can do until Congress decides what it will do.
Going through this back in 2010, we just kind of had to tell people to hold tight. It's not a preferred situation.
I was told the only proactive thing that you can do is call your licensed agent and see if there is another flood insurance that your bank will accept if you have a mortgage. But the problem is that banks prefer this national program, and that's going to be a bigger problem if this program goes away. But again, Congress does have until September to try and straighten all of this out. Stacy?
All right, and I know you will keep us updated. Jana Jones live in Tampa. Thanks.